Alright guys, it's Soldier Reviews here, with a review of the VM37, this was, the 38-4, which means it was made in 1938, on April, because the fourth month was April, I'm pretty sure, I don't know for a fact, but it was made on the fourth month, let's put it that way. That's a better way to put it. I've already took the lid off, so I can just go ahead and show you this. So the eagle that I was trying to tell you about on the, one gas mask, hold on. There it is. I'm not going to show you the, the one symbol for the World War II Germans. And I'm not going to say it because I don't feel like getting this video taken now. So, when you get the mask out, there's a little bit of a thing that kind of, there's something down in there. But, you pull this off right. Now, as far as I am aware, there is an asbestos ring in the inside of this. Like, right around here. But I took that out with some pliers. It was pretty easy. Just so I could do this. Unfortunately, I still do not, wear this on a daily. Because I am not a, soldier. I am not a civilian. I'm not a civilian in Germany, nor a soldier. We got our 40mm filter. Hold on. And see, works just fine. Let's see if the seal still works. Beautiful, beautiful seal. So yes, this is still a usable respirator. I tightened that pretty hard, so it would work. If anything, it would most likely work. Now, the VM37, let's look at the VM37 before we start looking at all the, components that come with it. So we'll grab the lid real quick, just so, hold on, just put that lid back on. It's like a shoebox, kind of, So, the VM37, this still has its actual defogging lenses. They didn't shrivel up, and yet I didn't have to tear them out. But they still even got the writing on the inside of the lenses. They're pretty cool. No tears in the mask because it still seals. If you can even see right there, there's still a little bit of where the eagle would have been. The eagle tracing is actually still kind of visible. Yeah, the eagle is still kind of visible, but it has been worn down over time of it being in this box, probably. Now, it kind of looks like the SHMS, which I don't have. With the, kind of, the way the, front of it, does that, on the side. That's just my honest opinion. Now, this is a helmet-type mask, which means it is meant to, you're meant to wear it with a helmet, which is kind of weird, considering the GM38, which is the blue gas mask, has straps, and not, because civilians wouldn't need to wear a helmet. I feel like this goes better with a helmet. See, you put it on. You can also get it on way easier than putting on the GM38. No tears in the mask. It's a pretty good mask. You don't want it to be ironic. Right as I said that, it tears somewhere. So when you breathe in, the suction will close this up. But when you breathe out, there's a slit right there and right in there that let the air flow out, which is actually a really cool design. But it's not as good as the GM38. So the GM38 has qualities that make it better than the civilian one, and the civilian one has things that make the gas mask that's up there better. They eventually even each other out, but I know I don't have any German watchers. Nobody probably watches this. No German people, because I don't speak German, but if you are German, I can say this. Ich bin landen. Hello. Alright. What I basically said was, I am Landon, hello. So you see, we got the book. We got a little manual. I don't know how good y'all can see that, but if y'all want to see that and it comes in this little plastic bag, I didn't put it in here, so that means I don't think this ever has been used because it's in such good condition. The filter's not. The stamp is still pretty good on the filter. I can still kind of see. I can't really see the eagle, but that's not a big problem to me because I don't care about the eagle because I don't do, German World War II things. Although I do have uniforms that I wear from time to time, but only around the house. I never wear them outside. I also do it on TikTok. You can go. Remember, also you can follow me on TikTok with the account The German Man. That's a play on words because I'm not even German. Well, part German, but not even German. Oh, I almost placed my usable filter back in this box. Now, let's get into the history. So, there aren't a lot of German gas masks to review that are actually legitimately a German gas mask. Because this is a genuine German gas mask, but most of them have been imported from other countries over the years. So, there's, this is the VM line, right? The volksgasmaske. This is the volksgasmaske line. Now, over time, as you buy these over time, I don't know what I just hit, but over time, the quality goes down. Then you have the VM30, the VM40, which has, I think it's the one with the straps. I could be wrong though. It could be a different one. But some of these have straps, and the quality goes down, not up, because the one ruler of Germany, or in the 1930s through 1940s, he wanted the tanks to get bigger and better, but then they broke down more, leading to them needing more repairs, leading to them needing more fuel. So naturally, the quality in the civilians' respirators would go down. Now, when they got to the last limb on this, they said, the ruler of Germany said, how can Zeiss make money, save money for the tanks? And then he started cutting back on the soldiers, which led the canisters to, I think, be cheaply or made out of cheaper metal, other than the thick. It's not made out of thick, heavy metal. Like, it's not heavy because of that, but it's probably definitely been toned down over the years. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool gas mask. If you can pick these up in their entirely original box here, I would recommend it. But I paid about $98 for this one. It's pretty hard to find. Put it that way. The hood mask, the one that you pull over your head, not the one with the straps. No, that one's pretty easy to find, but without the box, it's easy to find. If you want these with the box, you're gonna have to get really lucky because the lid on my box, see, it's taking some damage right there. Because I think that's where I think it's been sitting in someone's attic, and they might have sat something on top of it, which led the thing to bend down, and then these corners right here rip. Because probably somebody was digging in their attic, be like, oh, I have a gas mask, let's put it on eBay, about $98. And, let's see who we can sucker with it. Well, who they suckered with it was a collector. Someone who likes to collect stuff. But I like to get on the recommended, so you all can see this content and get informed. Now, the exact name for this is the volksgasmaske, or the Vm37. I swear I get GM and VM mixed up, which is really, really stupid. I shouldn't get them mixed up, but I do. Tell me if you all ever get those mixed up, or is it just me? Now they have these because usually there'd be a string, but I don't have the string. There's supposed to be a string. You're supposed to wrap it around, and then it's supposed to hold the lid down on it. And then I think there's a carrying bag you can get for these, from World War II, which I really want to get personally. Like a carrying bag, I can carry this on me. It'd be pretty fun. But I think that's all for today, guys. I'm looking at the shelf. We're gonna see what we're gonna review next. We're gonna review the French World War II gas mask because I think we're going off a World War II tangent here with stuff from the 1930s through 1940s, which is why this got included. But I think that's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that notifications button and subscribe. But I think after we hit the World War II French gas mask, we won't have any more World War II. We'll just have two new civilian respirators. But then we can review some actual uniforms, which I think will be pretty fun. But you tell me your thoughts in the comments below. I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.